everybody. Today is our first lesson for ceramic 1. We're gonna start our school year at home. So at school we have different set of tools, but basically they are the same. I'm gonna talk about clays a little bit and about the tools. So this is a cutting wire, different types of cutting wire, modeling tools, wooden modeling tools. This is also good for modeling and shaping your work. Different kinds of ribs, really good for using in clay projects. A needle tool, scoring tool, carving tools. I'm gonna leave all this description below. This is a level you're gonna need later. This one is for slab work to make it smooth, rolling pins, wooden boards for saving your projects, for storing your projects, and also we need plastic to wrap our projects. These are for shaping the projects, the ruler, water, sponges. What else? I'm gonna leave description of these tools in below. Okay, so this is the clay we're gonna use for this project. We're gonna use high fire clay, and I'm gonna talk about clays later. This is this clay, high fire clays, matures over 2000 Fahrenheit. It's really high fire, but basically mostly we're gonna use low fire clay at school. So our first project is a pinched cup, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how to make it. But after we make it and fire once, we cook once, then we have to glaze it. We're not gonna be able to glaze at home. We have to glaze this at school and fire, but we can make the projects at home. So next project we're gonna make, it's gonna be a coil. This one, coil ball, it's already glazed. So I'm gonna show you how to make this project, and then we're gonna make slab house, which is a box. It's not glazed, it's fired once, and then you can store your some objects inside. I'm gonna show you how to do this later. This is stamped cup, and it's really easy to make it. I'll show you how to do this. And this is glazed. This is also a cup. I'm gonna show you how to do this with a foot later in a year. And then we're gonna do a lot more projects. Okay, so I'll start with a pinch cup. So this is the high fire clay, and I'm gonna leave you description below what's the differences between clays and what kind of differences are in firing temperature. So I'm gonna cut with a cutting wire little piece of clay. Okay, so I'm gonna have this, not big one, and then make sure you cover your clay always, because it's really hot in here and it could dry quickly. So that's really simple project, our pinch pot. So you have a little piece of clay, you roll like this, make sure there are no air bubbles inside, and then you can start pinching like this. Like pinching like this. Make sure you're really slow and careful. You can shape any form you want, and then later on we're gonna do pinched animals I'm gonna show you how to make animals. So you wanna use the rib, if you wanna use the rib to make it smooth. And obviously we're not gonna be done today with this project. We're gonna have to come back tomorrow, and then when the clay is a little bit harder, we're gonna add a handle. So you can tap like this on your board to make this the bottom even. And this unfinished project is going to be wrapped and stored until tomorrow, so we could continue. And then I'm going to show you more. So these are boards for storing. It's better to store in a house or in a garage because outside is really hot. So okay, thank you so much. So I'll be back with a new project really soon.